Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
And the robots are off. 8579 lining up for that shot. Both alliances scoring into the goal. We have 4 versus 5. Blue Alliance slightly in the lead. But looks like we're picking up out of the ones already on the field. Blue Alliance with that gate. A little overflow is going to need to break that down now or later in teleop. Both teams with their ramps completely full. We're going to see a large outflux of artifacts into the loading zones here at the beginning of teleop. I think both teams are going to try and take advantage of that, at least the ones closest to it. Might see a traffic jam.
2, 1.
And Red Alliance is immediately trying to reclaim all of those scored artifacts out of the ramp. Blue Alliance doing the exact same. Blue Alliance instead grabbing them from the gate rather than from the loading zone, trying to make sure that Red can't get them before they do. And we're seeing a lot of far shots here, especially from Frost RoboFalcons, really emphasizing using that loading zone and going back and forth between the loading zone and the diamond. Meanwhile, both red teams on the Red Alliance are trying to grab those artifacts from the blue gate, trying to take control of them so that blue can't reuse them. We're seeing a really close game here. Blue Alliance just slightly in the lead, 23-22, but that could change at any moment. Frost RoboFalcons still emphasizing using from the loading dock that just back and forth nice mechanical pattern that they're getting really used to. Meanwhile, Mars Curiosity doing the same thing, getting from the gate, making sure that classical engineers right behind them can't steal those artifacts that they use. Blue Alliance slightly getting into the lead, 36-26. Seeing about a 30-point lead. Red's going to need to lower this gate soon. Meanwhile, Blue, excellent gate management on that ramp, making sure that no artifacts are ever overloaded onto that ramp. 8579 going to try and take advantage of those dropped artifacts. Now, moving into the endgame period, Red Alliance needs to reclaim this game, tie it up. They're about 60 points behind. Grabbing as quickly as they can from the loading zone. We're only about 5 seconds left. Blue Alliance already parking. RoboFalcons might try and score one more. And that's game.
The score has revealed the winner is Blue Alliance with a score of 257. Good job, guys. Now come back to 73. We got in the Red Alliance
Team 1473 now.